In this class, we are going to explain about demodulation technique. Okay. So before going to demodulation technique, first of all, what is amplitude modulation? I am explaining demodulation technique for only amplitude modulation. So first of all, what is amplitude modulation? For performing the amplitude modulation, we are using message signal plus carrier signal. Message signal and carrier signal. So message signal means AF, audio frequency, and carrier signal is RF, radio frequency. So this is the representation of message signal, and this is carrier signal, high frequency signal. Okay. So according to the amplitude modulation, the amplitude of carrier signal is varying according to the message signal. So at transmitter, we have to combine the message signal and carrier signal to perform the amplitude modulation, and it will receive at the receiver. Okay. So amplitude modulation is combining the message signal and carrier signal and follow the characteristics amplitude. That is, the amplitude of carrier signal is varying according to the message signal. So now we can observe the amplitude modulation, that is modulated signal, like this. Okay. So this is the modulated signal. Okay. This is the AM, amplitude modulated or modulated signal. Okay. So the dark line is the message signal. Okay. Dark line is the message signal, and this is the carrier signal. So here the carrier signal amplitude is varying according to the message signal. So this is the signal representation of amplitude modulation. So at transmitter, we have to performing the combination of message signal and carrier signal. After combining these two signals, we can transmit the information. But when we are receiving the signal, means we can separate the message signal and carrier signal. We can separate these two signals, because message signal is the information signal and carrier signal is to protect the message signal at the time of transmission. Okay. So this is the original information. This is the unwanted signal. Okay. So at the receiver, we can separate message signal and carrier signal by using the demodulation technique. So demodulation is nothing but a performing the operation opposite to modulation. So modulation means combining of message and carrier. Demodulation means separation of message and carrier. Okay. So at the receiver, we have to separate message signal from the modulated signal. Means from amplitude modulation signal, we can separate the minus carrier. Okay. So here we can separate the carrier, automatically we can get the message signal. Okay. So demodulation technique is nothing but a separation of message signal and carrier signal. To perform the demodulation techniques, we can using different types of circuit. In these circuits, the important and simple circuit is diode detector. Important and simple demodulator circuit is diode detector. Okay, so here I am drawing the diode detector circuit diagram. So here we can use the 1 PN junction diode. So this is the 1 PN junction diode. So for this PN junction diode, okay, we can connect the transformer. So at this transformer, that is the amplitude modulation AM signal, amplitude modulation signal is the input of the diode, because here the diode detector is used to separate the message signal from the amplitude modulation signal. That's why we are giving the amplitude signal as the input to the diode. Okay. So here we can use one capacitor also, and this is the output. Okay, this is the diode D and this is the capacitor C. So what is the operation is performed in this circuit? So before that we can know about we have to know about the diode operation. So diode is nothing but a performed in forward bias condition and reverse bias condition. So here we can use only one single diode. So here the diode is works like a half wave rectifier. Diode works like a half wave rectifier. So half wave rectifier means it performs only in forward direction for a positive operation. For positive signal it performs forward bias condition. For negative signal it performs the reversal direction. So from this AM signal, single diode works like a half wave rectifier. So what is the AM signal here? Okay, so this is the AM signal. Okay. So this is the origin. This is the origin. So this signal above the axis, above this axis, it works like a positive, and below the axis it works like a negative. This is the positive and this is the negative. So according to the operation of half wave rectifier, it supports only positive cycles. So we can observe the output here like this. Okay, so this is the output of the diode. So we are using only single diode. So single diode means it works for only positive pulse. So here we can separate the positive side and the negative side, but carrier signal is also present in the diode output. But our aim is, by using diode detector, we can separate the message signal from the AM signal. So to separate the carrier from the diode output, we have to separate the carrier from the diode output. So this is the unwanted signal. This is the unwanted signal. So by using the capacitor, capacitor is the best example for the filter. So by using this capacitor, we can eliminate the unwanted signal, that is carrier signal. So at this output we can observe the message signal like this. So this is the output of the diode detector. So diode detector is a simple circuit and it can made up of a simple diode. Okay, so this is the one of the modulation demodulation technique for separating the message signal from the AM signal. Okay, thank you.